Here's a simple and delicious summer barbecue treat. Smoked lamb salad, poached eggs, and a delicious lime yogurt. Set your barbecue to a low 140°C. Cut 500 grams of washed tomatoes into halves. Place those into a small enamel dish. Thyme leaves, olive oil onto a roasting rack in the barbecue for 20 minutes. Coat 2 lamb loins with the feedlot grassland spice mix. Halve the avocado. Remove the flesh. Roughly mash. Lime juice, cracked black pepper and salt. 200 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon tahini paste, 8 mint leaves, finely sliced, the zest and juice of 1 lime. Juice of the lime, combine well. Silicone egg poachers, just lightly brushed with melted butter. Just gently boiling. Drop the egg poachers straight in. Open the lid. Remove the poachers and slide the eggs onto the plate. Using the barbecue smoking box, place half a cup of wood chips into the dish, lid on, and into the barbecue. Time for the lamb, and straight to the hot side. Once we have a nice bit of colour onto the lamb, which is perfect, place a tray to the centre, nice deep baking dish with a roasting rack, and place the lamb to the centre and shut the hood. Smoke's going, it can be great. So remove the lamb when the core temperature reaches 55 degrees. And slice the lamb. Once rested, it should be pink, blush, tender and moist. And there we are, just a beautiful summer salad with that smoked lamb, and all the accessories I used can be found at wiltshire.com.au.